everybody, welcome back to the vlog. My name is Daniel, and today I'm gonna do a little night out in Bangkok. So I'm over at Kung Tong Seafood. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing that right. But it's a pretty cool layout. I mean, it's like half open air, and then of course I'm sitting in the air-conditioned space because I don't want to be outside. Yeah, but it's right next to like Klong Toi. Sure I'm pronouncing that wrong, but Klong Toi Market. Just like kind of below Sukhumvit and below Tonglo. Shrimp were ordered, some squid, oyster omelet. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Super hungry. I got some soda water though, just like my go-to in Thailand. Oh. This looks good. Smells fantastic. Nice bite of everything. Like a steamed squid salad almost. It just came. And also the steamed shrimp and glass noodles. Yeah. Like all the food's coming out. It's got the oyster omelet. Look at that, it's freaking ridiculous. So we'll do the squid face. Yeah, there's like raw garlic in there. It's my first time having Thai seafood to like this level. So this restaurant does the oyster omelet. It's like Taiwanese style actually. So it has that gooiness in there. It's like that starch. Wow. Holy crap. Those oysters are like, it's like the ocean. This tastes amazing. It's got that gooiness. There's definitely some sesame oil. I'm going in for the shrimp here. The glass noodles dish is really good. It's a little different than the one I had at TMK actually. I mean, there's a surprising amount of chilies in that squid based, that lime juice, and yeah, it wasn't that spicy. The raw garlic, like, it was really punchy. So that was freaking fantastic. Alright, came over to Terminal 21 shopping mall to do some, I don't know, let's just roam around a little bit. Yeah, so Terminal 21 is kind of famous for because it's kind of set up like a airport terminal. So each like floor has like a different vibe. You have like Tokyo or Istanbul or London or San Francisco. So you know, it's kind of interesting, and they have like a lot of big brand name stores, and then they also have like these areas with like these little tiny little boutiques, kind of like this. It's kind of has a cool vibe to it. A little bit of everything. It's not a lot of like super high-end stores, so if you want, you know, those luxe brands, you should go to like Emportier, which will provide you that kind of shopping experience. But this is a good like mid-range mall with just a little bit of everything. And then the really famous part about Terminal 21 is that the food court upstairs is like on the cheaper side, and they have a pretty good selection. There's also a lot of good restaurants here too. And as you can see, I'm coming up to the Golden Gate Bridge. So this is the San Francisco level. Alright, I'm gonna go up one more actually. And then the front side of it is actually really cool. This like huge escalator that goes from the bottom to almost the top, and the entire front is glass. It actually is pretty cool. It looks good, so I'm gonna head over there after. But here's the like food court. It's called Pier 21. Yeah, and there's the Golden Gate Bridge. If you're hungry and in Bangkok and this area, the food court is a nice place to get started. There's Hawker Chan right there. It's that like Singaporean soy sauce chicken rice. And there's also a Savoy, which I think has really good Thai food. And then also like a Momo Paradise if you want some shabu. So this is the front of the mall, or the shopping center. This is all glass. It's like the theme of the airport. I always find myself in shopping malls roaming around if I'm bored. This is not the greatest shopping center or mall ever. I think it is. It's kind of cool to kind of see a very lively shopping mall. I actually like in most of Thailand, shopping malls are pretty poppin'. Took a little detour out of the mall. Well, the BTS station is actually right attached to it. It's the Asok station, so it's pretty convenient if you're next to a BTS line. Always hit all the malls in Bangkok. So actually, what's kind of funny is that we're close to like this family-friendly establishment, you know, like restaurants and all this like shopping, and then like right across the street is actually like this red light street called Soi Cowboy. So there's a lot of like juxtaposition like that in Bangkok, so it's kind of funny. I'm actually gonna see if I can like walk over there and like at least show you guys the actual street. It's only 8 o'clock, so I don't know if it's even like going off or anything, so I guess we'll see. It's like right there. Here's Terminal 21, like, well, you can't see it, but it's on the other side of it. There it is, right there. And then we're gonna go right there. Woo! I like barely made that light. So now I'm across the street, Terminal 21, Asok BTS, and then right up here, I don't know, it looks a little dark, so I don't even know if it's open or We'll see. It's actually pretty dead. I don't really want to film too many people, but I don't know, it's a little odd, but here we are. So okay, I got some clips. I got some dirty looks too. Oh, so I always feel a little bit weird about recording in that kind of scenario, but that was Soi Cowboy. So yeah, it's kind of interesting. Now I'm actually staying at this the Marriott Marquis Queens Park just for like a one-night thing. So I'll probably head over there, and they have like a rooftop bar that's supposed to be pretty cool. And yeah, I think I'll get a drink to finish up the night here. But yeah, this is like very typical Sukhumvit area. And the BTS in the middle, it goes down the whole street. Lots of lights, lots of glitz, lots of glamour. Yeah, I think I've decided just to take a little stroll. So it's like a little bit less than a kilometer to the hotel, so let's see how it goes. That was an intense street crossing. This place is called No Idea. It is pad thai. If you want some roadside pad thai, there you go.